So we now are offering pantries to accompany your Nomad Kitchen. The kitchen will still operate as it does on its own, but now you have the opportunity to mount pantries to the side, on top of, or even below your kitchen. This keeps the straps out of the way and wrapped around the pantry, so you still have more easy way to access this space to the side of your kitchen. Nomad kitchens and pantries all have threaded inserts on the top and all four corners, and they come with holes on the bottom as well. What this does is allow the pantries to be bolted to the kitchen or on top of each other, and this way they anchor together, so they stay real secure. With our strap system and those components bolted together, the whole system stays locked in place. As you can see, shaking the unit, the whole car is moving now. The Pantry Kit and Overlander Kit both come with a countertop insert, which gives you more workspace. It is removable and can come fully come out. With the two pantries that come with the kit, you have more than enough space for any gear you may need. You still have the available internal storage bags that give you plenty of additional storage space for any of your kitchenware. In the future, we plan to offer a fridge and cooler slide that will be able to mount to the top of your pantry or kitchen. It will allow you to have easier access to your cooler or refrigerator. Our new pantries are available on their own, as part of the Pantry Kit, and as part of the Overlander Kit.